What do you want me to help you with? Come here. What's in your bowl? You're not stuck. Let me see what's in your bowl. Can you come give me a bite? Oh, no. Hi, Ellie. There you go. What are you going to go get? What? Is that your marshmallow?
Yeah, a marshmallow.
A marshmallow.
Come on.
Where are you going, crazies? Oh, dear. Oh, dear.
Mommy.
What are you eating, Ellie?